So today we're going to lay on the gold leaf, and we're going to put the alcohol and then the gold. This is 23 karat gold. We have one other area here. So we use the alcohol to activate the clay. And so when we apply the alcohol dehydrates the clay and activates the clay at the same time. And we can't do anything with this gold until tomorrow when it's completely dry. We'll use an agate stone.
Yeah.
Yes, we have on this area here we're going to again, we see the alcohol goes onto the bowl and then onto the piece. Fabulous. And then we're going to go to this area here where the foliage is.
It's a little bit windy here.
Yeah, wind is not your best friend.
Nope.
When you're laying gold on a day like today. There we go, look at that. Apply more alcohol again onto the last two leaves. And again, there it goes. And one last piece. By the way, the question you all ask is, why does she use a squirrel hair brush?
Can't touch this gold.
There you go, you can't touch the gold with your hand. A squirrel hair connects with electricity that when it gets rubbed, it connects to the piece. So there you have it, and we'll be back tomorrow when we let this dry for 24 hours, and we'll use the agate stone. Until then, if you have any comments, please leave them. Thank you.